3 easiest and best ways to optimize your Google Ads campaign in 2024. Have you ever wondered how the pros fine-tune their Google Ads campaign to maximize returns? Well, you're about to discover the secrets in this video because I'm going to be outlining exactly the best ways and easiest ways in order for you to optimize your campaign. I'm sure people are getting all these recommendations and optimized score from Google, and I'm going to be the first one to tell you that you don't need to do what they're actually telling. And sometimes when you implement what they actually tell you to do, it actually hinders your Google Ads account. So I'm going to be breaking down the exact best way for you to optimize your Google Ads campaign. Tip number 1 is your keyword research. So this is where our campaign all stems from. And if you watch some of my other videos, I've shared exactly the wrong mistakes that I made in my keyword research and how much it was actually screwing up my Google Ads account and having my ads perform not very well. Whenever I go to optimize my campaign, I start with searching for my keywords on the certain campaigns. So let's dive into our Google Ads account here. You want to click the campaigns, go into it and see and click one that you want to do and click the search keywords. So as we start here, you're going to see what the average cost of conversion is going to be for each keyword. And if there's one that's sticking out that is way higher than the rest of them, that's something you maybe want to change, move to a negative keyword, but that's totally up to you. So for in this campaign here, I have 19 keywords in this ad group here, where when I first was starting out all my keywords, I was going so niche, so specific that it was really hindering my account. So now I stick to really doing mostly broad match keywords and very long phrases. So almost like long typed out phrases that has our ads performing really, really well. I've shared all my success before and showed you the proof on my ads campaign that our ads rank top out of everyone else in my market. We have that top impression share and we perform better than anyone else. And it all stems from having this really dumbed down approach for searching for our keywords. But what we want to be looking through here is if there's anything that's maybe negatively impacting our actual campaign. So stuff with a 9.5% click-through rate, average cost per click. Once again, you want to see if there's something that's sticking out really high, if there's a certain number that is super high on that, and what your actual conversion rate is. And just go through all of it and make sure that there's nothing that could be negatively impacting. As you can see, this is going to be the best converting one. It's converted majority of all our leads that have signed up on our website. So the one right here, waterfront homes for sale in Kelowna, has a really high conversion rate, but it hasn't got too many clicks. But it has a lower click-through rate. So I find that stuff really interesting. Like why there's a little bit of a difference. You think if something has a high conversion rate, it might have a lower click-through rate. But I think this is just a very good search term where if anyone types in waterfront homes for sale in Kelowna, with our ads being tailored specifically to those search terms, and that's where our copywriting is very in tune with what people are actually searching for. So it gives them exactly what they want. I'm sure everyone's clicked on an ad thinking it's going to be one thing, and it leads to something totally different. So having success on your advertising starts with your search keywords. Now, after going through our ads and making sure those are in line and the copywriting for our ads are in line with our search keyword terms, the next biggest thing that I see so many marketers get wrong and people who run their own Google ads is the actual landing page never quite gives people what they're looking for. So if I was to take our landing page going through here and see, it delivers exactly what they want. These people are searching for waterfront homes. You can see this home has its own private dog. You can see the water in the background. You can see these are exactly what people are wanting. Waterfront homes, exactly. If I go into and so when people click on all this, they get exactly what they expect. See, this is where people will have to sign up on our ads. But if I go to Kelowna waterfront homes for sale, you can see our ad pops up there. But I click on here, they're showing condos. They're showing properties that are, waterfront properties are usually 2 million and above. These ones are like 500,000 condos that aren't specifically waterfront properties. This can be a big differentiating factor on when people click on your ad, they already lose trust because you're not delivering on exactly what you told them the ad was going to be. So this is the 3 steps that you can use to optimize your campaign. So first is starting with your search keywords. And the reason why we want to do that is that's how we build our ads around that. That ad copy stems from our search keywords. The next is you go into our ads and actually optimize and make sure that they're in line with what people would be looking for and the search queries that people have. I like using longer phrases for my keywords, and I plug those into our ads. The next is going to be the landing page. Make sure your landing page actually has exactly what it's supposed to, and you're actually delivering on what the ad's supposed to be. But if you're someone that's still struggling with your Google ads, or you've hired a company and they're not working as good as what you like, or you're running them yourselves and seeing little to no conversions, and you're pretty much just scooping up all those piles of cash that you could be using to grow your business and throwing it into a furnace and lighting on fire, well then you want to reach out to us to see if you'll be a right fit in order for our team to take over your Google ads and see the success that we're having with my team. So go in the description, use the Google form there, fill out all the information about your business and yourself, and we'll see if you'd be a right fit for us to partner.